Hello, my name's Graeme Mitchell. I'm a senior lecturer at John Moores University and I'm the programme lead for the BSc Environmental Health. Environmental health is probably one of the most important things that people have never heard of. It's central to everything we do. If you want to work in the field of environmental health, you need to be registered with the professional body, that's the Chartered Institute of Environmental Health. And to do that, you need an accredited degree. Now, LJMU is one of the very few universities in the country that offers this accredited degree. As an environmental health officer, there's a number of job roles you can do. So for example, you might go into food safety. This will involve you going and inspecting food premises. It will involve you investigating food complaints, checking that food coming into the country is safe to eat. Or you might go into housing, for example. So you'll go into premises and make sure that landlords are keeping up repairs for tenants.
We're going to a fruit and veg and seafood market soon at like 7 in the morning, so we're all in high vises, which is exciting. We have a food exam in the summer, and although like exams sound daunting, we get to go to Nottingham for 2 nights, and it's like a food identification course. So we go through basically 2-night break, we get taught all the stuff there, come back to Liverpool, revise, and then the next week we'll go and take the exam, and you take that exam if you want to progress in food. But that's going to be really exciting because you'll be able to like actually practically like see things and inspect like meat and fish and stuff. So that'd be good, so you can get out and about during the degree, which is good. It's nice to get out of the room sometimes.
The course for environmental health has been really interesting here, so it's been exposed me to a range of different subjects other than what I thought environmental health would have been, but also studying it's been able to get me to contemplate workplaces or the careers that I wouldn't have at least thought of beforehand. The course has offered us workplace learning, so I've been doing a lot in terms of pest control. So pest control wasn't something that I first thought I would have gone into, but now it's something I've given a consideration.
I started working after sixth form. I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I just got a job working in a school kitchen because that's all that was available. And it was only then when I was doing training for my food hygiene courses is when I found out about environmental health through that. It's nice small classes, which I liked. There's not too many of us in there, so you got a more closer connection with the lecturers and also with your classmates as well. I've enjoyed the food hygiene module the most because that's where I've had most background experience, so I've understood it more. But during my A-levels, I did A-level law, and that's got quite a big influence in environmental health as well. So we did a law module last year, and I quite enjoyed that as well because I had a bit of background knowledge on it.
Well, I originally went on the John Moores website because they've got a huge list of courses, really helpful for you if you're kind of looking for things, especially more niche degrees. And I came across environmental health, and I originally thought it was something to do with kind of like climate change and kind of nature studies, and then I kind of delved a bit deeper and the website gave me this information, and I came to find out it was about kind of preventing disasters and inspecting, and I was really intrigued by it, so I really thought, oh, this is something I'd really want to go into. I love the idea of kind of learning about how to tackle these things like floods and these kind of natural disasters or man-made disasters, and then we've also had kind of really important subjects like housing, food inspection, a big wide range of kind of variety of where you can really go into health.
If you're interested in doing a degree in environmental health, if you want to make a real difference to people's lives, visit our website, or even better, come and visit it as one of our open days or applicant days.